Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak once Unc0ver is signed. Just to let you guys know, as of 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, Unc0ver is not signed. There is no way to jailbreak without a computer. This is a without a computer method, and you're going to use this method to jailbreak once Unc0ver is signed. So you have a couple methods that you can use. Today I'm going to be showing you App Valley. So basically what you're going to want to do is search up App Valley in your search engine, preferably Safari. You're going to go to the App Valley website. You're going to press install. Once it is fully installed, you're going to go to General. You're going to want to go to Profiles, and you're going to want to verify App Valley. I already have it verified, so I don't need to do that. Once it's verified, you're going to press App Valley. You're going to scroll down until you see Unc0ver. You're going to press Get. It currently says unavailable for me, then again, because it is unsigned. But once it is signed, it will say Get. And then you will download it and do the same thing we just did. You will verify Unc0ver. And then once it's verified, you will press it and press Jailbreak. If you get an error code like this, it basically means that Unc0ver is not signed currently. So what you're going to want to do is first press Settings, and then you're going to want to press Reroute FS, and then press where the jailbreak normally is, it'll say Reroute. And you will press it, and if that doesn't work, it basically means Unc0ver isn't signed. Once it is signed, I will let you guys know immediately. I will post a YouTube video, so make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you will get that notification once the signing is out for Unc0ver. So that was the basic tutorial on how to jailbreak once Unc0ver is signed. Then again, I will let you guys know whenever it is signed. Once it is signed, I will be posting a YouTube video, so make sure to turn on your post notifications. I will have the App Valley link in the description. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yeah, see you guys.